Hey everybody, welcome to episode 2 of Daily Special brought to you by Noodletown. Today we'll be talking about poop transplants. So guys, do you know under what circumstances the doctors will put poop up your butts?
I don't know. Sometimes gross, man. I don't think regular people want to know that.
Circumstances.
Well, it's like this, you guys. Like, you guys have probably taken antibiotics before, right? Like,
yes.
For like your gonorrhea or whatever. So like when that happens, there's a chance that it kills the normal bacteria in your stomach and intestines, and then this toxic or this bad bacteria called Clostridium difficile. It'll grow too much, and then it'll cause you to have all sorts of really life-threatening problems like bloody diarrhea, loss of diarrhea, something about your colon becoming huge, all sorts of issues. And then like treatment-wise, before 2013, they were using like more antibiotics to treat it, and there was like a 60% chance of the infection coming back. So
I can see that.
Yeah, well, like it's the thing that caused it in the first place. So what they did was they took some poop from a healthy person and then they put it in the sick person's butthole, and then apparently that fixes. That's really good, because in the first study they did, it cured the disease with the first treatment, and it was so quick that they shut the study down early because it was so effective. And so that.
Yeah. I wonder how much the first guy was getting paid for the clinical trial.
This is next. Okay, we're coming to the age where everybody's eating ass and shit like that. This is normal now.
Damn,
it's a norms now.
It's a norm.
Alright, I just want you guys to know that like if anything happens to you, my poop is available for you guys.
Nah, but it's not really a poop. They actually mix it with salt water first.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, that doesn't change the fact it's poop.
Guys,
it's like you're gonna be eating shit, but I'm gonna mix it up with some salt water.
So seasoned. Okay, you make sure it's seasoned. Okay.
Alright, seasoned. Yeah.
Yeah, but that's good, because like now research in this field has been going forward, right? And now they found like your gut microbiome, so like the bacteria inside your stomach actually influences a lot of stuff. So depending on your diet, like if you're eating a lot of fat and like other things, it causes your bacteria, like the population, like the different species population ratios to be like different, and them to have different like pathways, even though it's not that like clear what they're doing, like the interactions are, but because they have different pathways, like it leads to different like health states, like different metabolism rates for different types of nutrient, like I guess proteins, lipids, and fats. I forgot what you call them, but like since they're different, they're trying to study what's like how poop transplants might be able to help people with diabetes and stuff. So like this is a really interesting field, you guys. Like, wow, in the future, if you get diabetes from eating too much McDonald's, Lori, like...
Jackie, you're the one that told me, I ate...
Yeah, that's my first time eating in like 6 months, man.
And 2 junior chicken in one go, and my kidney hurts. Who was that?
It was 6 months, dude. I haven't eaten McDonald's in 6 months because it tastes like plastic. But yeah, just saying. This is some next level of research. Science is going into the future where you get millennials
it's embracing the trend.
Yeah, man, the millennials are finally entering the labs. Okay, now they're thinking about researching eating ass and what health benefits it does. Like even animals, okay. So you have like elephants, you have koalas, like these kind of animals. When they're born, their stomachs don't have any bacteria. So what they do is they eat like their parents' poop or something. Like I have a picture. I put a picture of it in my script. It's like the first one.
I see it.
Okay.
I am grossed out.
Yeah, they have to like do that.
Another website. Start with P. Okay.
Yo, dude, this is nature. Okay, it's natural to eat poop. I guess, but like,
I remember that rabbits, they do eat the poop, right? Because there's a lot of nutrients.
I don't know about rabbits. I just know like these ones, like since they don't have bacteria in their stomachs, they can't like when they're born, right? Like they don't come with any bacteria. That means they can't digest food, like certain kinds of food, like vegetation mostly for these animals. So then like koalas, I think they're facing some sort of endangerment because they can't they don't have enough food sources. So this paper I posted, they showed that if they transplant the microbiome from a different koala into like one that only eats a certain tree, they can actually eat food from other trees. So this is groundbreaking research, you guys. Holy
wait,
God, we're in the
catch them all.
Let me make sure I understand this. So they can take the bacteria from another koala and put it in this other koala's butthole, right? And then
Yes.
the bacteria will stay there and grow on its own, right?
Yes, and then
Damn,
that'll
that's
allow them
next
to
level.
digest. Yeah, and then they can digest leaves from like some trees that they couldn't digest leaves from before.
Crazy.
But like koalas have all sorts of problems. Like I'll put it in. Lori can put it in. It's a copy paste of like a lot of them have syphilis and like actually I think 98% of them have syphilis.
That's
They're
more than a
very
lot. That's a
maybe
majority.
this is the future to treat like lactose
koala
intolerance and shit.
syphilis. yeah, that's for sure. But that though.
Damn.
Wait, the syphilis like first appeared on humankind just because someone fucked a koala.
Yeah, I don't think it's AIDS.
Yeah, that's monkey. I remember.
Oh yeah. Also, their food makes them high or some shit. It's just koalas are really weird.
Hey.
So now since 2013, this treatment has become super popular, and now like there's different storage banks for healthy stool samples for doing these kind of treatments, right? And one of them I found is actually in Hong Kong. It supplies most of the southeastern countries. But with what's going on in Hong Kong, I don't know if they can get any of the poop samples out.
I think that won't be a problem.
Yeah,
Wait, is that the Asia microbiota?
Yes, I also put a picture. Yes, that one.
Oh, okay.
It sounds kind of fucked up, but then I guess after they go through the extraction process, they just implant the actual.
Yeah, I don't think it's that bad. Yeah. And there's also even for Canada's actually supplied by one of these banks that's actually in Europe somewhere. I forgot where it was, but if they can fly it over the ocean, I'm pretty sure they can figure something out. It's probably not.
Wait, why can't you just use your friends?
Well, first they gotta get it and they gotta screen through it, which takes a bit of time.
They gotta clean it. Okay, they don't just shove it up your butt.
That's how it works. Okay. No, you don't clean it. You actually just screen for it, because if you clean it, the bacteria, the ones that you want to.
Wait a second. I thought it would be clean.
The bacteria are transplanting, not the.
Alright, don't worry, guys. I'll
it's a
season my
poop
poop
smoothie
right
with
now.
salt water. Okay, that's just going up your ass.
Damn.
Oh shit.
Yeah, that's basically it. Yeah, that's all I wanted to share with you guys. Now the world is a better place.
Alright, okay.